You think you're safe. You wake up, scroll, eat, repeat. No pressure, no pain, no urgency. But here's the truth. Comfort is the slowest kind of death. It doesn't stab you. It just makes sure you never fight. It whispers, "You're fine," while your dreams decay quietly in the background. The trap isn't made of pain. It's made of ease. Netflix, junk food, the scroll hole, all designed to keep you still. And the worst part? You think you're choosing it. But what you're really choosing is decay. The death of drive. The burial of ambition. Real growth hurts. It's cold mornings. Lonely nights. Showing up when no one claps. Saying no to things you want for the man you're trying to become. Comfort doesn't make men. Discomfort does. So the next time you feel comfortable, ask yourself, is this peace? Or is this the slow death I was warned about? Because every day you avoid the pain is one more day the comfort wins.